Surveillance camera doorbells. They're popular, provide a safety net for many homeowners, and are relied upon by police departments.
They are, but tonight you'll meet a West suburban couple who says it's brought nothing but trouble. Our Charlie DeMar explains this homeowner association headache.
It's been a huge peace of mind for us, especially when we travel for work. And
Chelsea Freeman and Dan Anderson protect their North Naperville home with a Ring doorbell.
How you doing? I'm Charlie.
The camera feature allowed them to see us as we walked in for the interview.
we didn't think we were in violation. We weren't trying to violate any bylaws. We were simply just trying to protect ourselves.
But the little black box on the door is against the condo association's rules. No additions can be made to the outside. It's a finable offense. Alarms went off for the couple when they got an email this week from the condo association manager explaining why their safety was somehow bringing down the neighborhood. It read in part, due to keeping the aesthetic of the community and the privacy of the residents within the community.
If the Ring doorbell allows one person to be safe, or one mom to see your kids come home from school, or one package not be stolen, it's a win for me.
The association manager tells me there is a way for people to follow the rules and still have a security camera. He suggests taking the security camera and mounting it on the inside, but there's just one issue. Not all these homes have windows.
We do have 14 days to remove it. We're going to comply with the notice.
Adding a security value to the community is not ruining the aesthetics or anyone's experience of living in this community. I think if anything, it actually just probably heightens it.
The association manager says he is looking into a possible contract for interactive doorbells with cameras, which would require changing the current condo rules. The hope is to do that sometime in 2020.